So this is our resident bobcat. His name is Bobby. Been hearing about him for a while, but he's decided to make himself at home on our lawn today. Just readjusting, huh, Bobby? There's the fence that I built today for the garden. And oh, there he goes. Gonna go under the house, boy? Sounds like a good idea, huh? I'm not gonna get you.